Ride for the brand. The words of Paul Harwitz, translated by the innovation team Bonanza. The dismounted young cowboy asked the old hand, what does it mean when they say ride for the brand?
Innovation Team Bonanza answers that question by featuring 4 key components of the craft: the consumer, leadership from the top, on-air talent, and the client.
I ain't talking about gambling, but earning a living. Hard work, trust, respect taken and given.
The respect of the client comes with them trusting us to keep them ahead of the game. Today is more than a radio jingle. It's now showcasing our clients through social media and live instant video.
Even though you'd rather stop and go into town, it means you don't lay your responsibilities down.
Gone are the days of the on-air talent being restricted to the studio. Broadcasts can originate anywhere life is happening, even from right under the covers.
Be sure to check out Shannon and Mike in the morning at Y103.com. And Y103!
It means you give an honest day's work for an honest day's wage, whether you're in the corral or out riding the range.
Capitalizing on the multiple ways to deliver a free radio product increases revenue and keeps them fat stacks on the big dog's desk.
It means you'll work with others as well as working alone and keep working even when tired to the bone.
Without the consumer, radio would fade. Innovation has transformed request lines into listener-driven radio, where the consumer is the DJ.
It means you've got pride in yourself, job, and land. So saddle up, toughen up, cowboy up, and ride for the brand.